sir. Let's go back to Mr. Torres. Ms. Garza, you still there?
She's in a breakout room, Your Honor.
Okay, when she comes out, will you notify us? Because it shows Mr. Torres as a fugitive, so we need to see him and find out what's going to happen on the warrant. Okay.
Yes, Judge.
All right, go back to, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. Go ahead.
Mr. John Winter.
Okay. So it's on page 4, Alex Chavez Gasca, 661-176. And if I could confer, please.
And client's present?
Yes, I saw him somewhere on here.
Mr. Alex Chavez Gasca, if you're there, would you unmute and let us know?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. If you'll stand by till your lawyer comes out of the breakout room.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Mr. George Manning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
morning.
I'm appearing for Cole Nettles from Dunham Jones, and it looks like our client, Mr. Rivera, is present. On this one, Judge, we'd likely just need a felony pending reset because he has a few pending felonies in the, I believe.
You have a page number for me, Mr. Manning?
I apologize for that, Judge. It's page 3, and it's 60366.
And that's Douglas Rivera, 650-366, assault. And he's present in custody or on bond?
He's on bond, Judge.
Mr. Rivera, you with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The date I have for cases that have felony pending is May the 25th, the 22nd. We'll go ahead and reset it for that date and try to, if you get something resolved before then, get everything signed and notify the coordinator and she can bring you back quicker.
All right. Thanks so much, Judge. I appreciate it. And you said May 25th?
The date that was given to me is May the 25th for felony pending cases, which is what I understand we have, correct?
Okay. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it. And it looks like he may have another case where he's represented by someone else as well.
That's always helpful.
So they're right after us on the docket, Judge. But that's all we have for Dunham Jones. May I be excused, Your Honor?
Okay, he needs to stick with us till his other lawyer logs in and gives us an announcement on that case. So don't leave, sir, until your other. Who is the other lawyer?
Your Honor, I have no other
Lawyer Cole Nettles is representing me on all cases.
Okay. It said on the docket that there is
What page are we talking about, sir? Mr. Manning, on that one?
It's still page 3. It's right below 650-366.
So you're going to talk to are y'all going to be on all of them or not?
I believe so, Judge. I wasn't aware that we
I will tell you, I've got a Paul Vasquez hired showing on that. Mr. Rivera, do you know anything about Paul Vasquez?
Paul Vasquez is a prior
Attorney to Dunham and Jones. I believe he left the law firm months ago, but Cole Nettles is fell in for him.
Judge, that is correct. This is Paul Vasquez. That is correct. He is a Dunham and Jones client, not a Paul Vasquez client.
All right, so I'm going to mark on here that you represent, Mr. Nettles represents him on both. If necessary, will you get us a notice of representation on that case, Mr. Rivera? Through Dunham and Jones?
Yes,
And
Your
under,
Honor.
we'll reset both of those for May the 25th, 22. If you get something resolved before that, contact the coordinator.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Judge. I appreciate it. May we be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
The next one will be Mr. Carlos Gonzalez.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning.
I unfortunately do not have the page in front of me, but I represent Jeffrey Cox. case number 646946 and 646947. In this instance, Your Honor, we're asking for a reset. We have some felonies pending. So I have May
Mr. Cox
25th.
present or is he in custody?
I believe he is in custody. He is not present.
Bailiff's informing me that he shows on bond on both of these cases, the DWI enhanced and the DWI standard.
Yes, on those particular ones. Not sure about the felonies. Those were picked up shortly thereafter. I know he's not on Zoom right now.
Well, I mean, you may want to check on it because I'm going to give you till the end of the docket. If he is in custody on the felonies, he's not getting credit on these cases because he still shows on bond. So if you can't resolve where he is by the end of the docket, we're probably going to declare a bond forfeiture so that he, or at least a bond increase so that he's getting credit on these once he's picked up. I don't know. It's up to you, but it does show him on bond on both of these cases.
And actually, I'm just looking at the Bexar County court records. It does show him on bond for the 2 felonies as well. My office has reached out to him. Unfortunately, we've had no success in reaching him.
Okay, then we're going to go ahead and call it and notify us if you get a hold of him, and we'll do the same.
Thank you very much, Judge. May I be dismissed?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Call those 2 for a BF.
Judge, can Thomas Beck approach?
Yes, sir.
I'm back from conferring. Thomas Beck on page 5. And that would be Armandina Martinez.
Martinez, yes.
Judge, they want to review it for possible dismissal, and I think there's a chance that could happen. So we would like to reset. They want to watch the videos for possible dismissal.
So how long? 30 or 45 days?
I'd say 30 days, Judge.
All right. So April 25th, reset. Your client is here, right?
She should be, Judge. I'm in close contact with her. Can you unmute yourself, Armandina? Armandina.
I did, sir. Yes,
Oh,
I'm,
cool.
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna call you on the phone. Judge, are we excused?
Okay. You got the date, ma'am?
No, can you repeat that, please?
April the 25th.
April the
Same time.
25th. Okay.
There's a chance y'all might be in person. I don't know, but you need to stay in touch with your lawyer to verify where you need to be.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay.
And I'll call her, Judge. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
You're excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Robert Featherston is ready for announcement, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if it pleases the court. Yes, Judge. If it pleases the court, Humberto Renteria is going to be dismissed. The prosecutor will have a dismissal in front of you shortly.
Okay, I got it. I'll excuse you then. Thank you very much. Excuse your client.
Thank you, Your Honor. You all have a great day.
Judge Gable Sadomsky, I'm back on Mahmoud Al-Bahamal. And the prosecutor's extended he's on page 2 cases, 638, 324, and 638, 469. He's extended an offer of pretrial diversion. I'm going to talk to my client. I think this will resolve our case. If we could get a 30-day reset for a status on the PTD application, I would greatly appreciate it.
Okay, so that'll be April 25th, same time on the pretrial dismissal.
Sir, nice seeing you, and may I be in business?
You're excused today.
Thank you, sir. Take care.
Client's excused as well if you'll convey that for us.
I will have my office do so immediately. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Paul Vasquez.
Judge, I'm present. I've got 2 on the docket. The first one is page 2, middle of the page, Daniel Badillo Jr.
Okay.
Case number 644018. I just need to get into confer with the prosecutors on that one.
Is he here?
He is present, Judge.
Okay.
And then the next one I have is the very last one. on page 3. Jacob Vasquez, 653-495. I need to confer on that one as well. And he is also present.
Okay, well, they'll put you in a breakout room as soon as someone's available.
Thank you.
Mr. Arnulfo Ortiz.
I have on page 2, second from the top, Isaiah Medellin. He's on the second screen here. He's present. He's on bond. I'm going to need to get in line to see Jeff King. And I would like the court, since this is our first appearance, to give us a return date. There's some issues I got to work out with my client that may take me more. This is our first appearance.
Okay, so how long do you need?
30 days would be excellent.
Okay, we'll go April the 25th.
And I'll wait for Jeff King, and may my client and I be excused after I finish conferring.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
If I may, Judge. The person listed as V34U. Please change your location to someplace more appropriate to this court setting. Thank you.
Thank you. The next one is Mr. Matthew Allen.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Amadeus Judson. It is on page 6, case number 674-535. Mr. Judson is present, and he has a felony pending that's not indicted yet, so we would ask for the May 25th date.
Sure.
Yes, Judge, he's here.
Okay, it'll be reset for the cases with felonies pending, May the 25th. Same time, in person or by Zoom. You'll need to verify that with the court.
Okay. Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Y'all are excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Bob Behrens.
Mr. Barron, we have
Yeah, sorry, Judge. I was just about to log off and get on another device because all of a sudden I can't hardly hear anything. I'm here on Adriana Puga. She's on the first page near the bottom.
Okay.
I guess I need to confer.
She's present?
Yes, I texted her.
I'm
She
here.
said she's on the meeting.
Okay. All right, we'll put you in a breakout room as soon as somebody's available.
Okay, I'm gonna log off my phone and get on my laptop in the meantime.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Miss Elizabeth Settle.
You're muted, Ms. Settle. Still muted, Ms. Settle. There you go. Sorry, it shows you unmuted, but I can't hear you. Might check your volume. I don't know. This is what we love about Zoom.
All right, let me go to Sharon Thorne while Ms. Settle gets her audio.
Okay, we'll come back in a minute, Ms. Settle. Ms. Thorne?
Yes, good morning, Judge. I have Alvarina Chris, case number 667-479. She is in federal custody right now. I am trying to reach out to the state to see if maybe they want to dismiss this case. She's going to be doing federal time.
Any idea what page maybe?
Oh, sorry.
I found it. Never mind.
You found it? Okay.
Well, we'll need to keep track of it. I'm going to reset it. And I guess somebody needs to verify, you know, I know she's in federal custody, but somebody probably needs to provide that to the court.
Yes, sir. I will reach out to her federal attorney and get the case number and what the status is, but this isn't speaking with her family, so. But I have spoken to the attorney before in the past, and so she definitely has the federal case.
Okay, so we'll set it for other felonies pending, May the 25th.
Thank you, Your Honor. May be excused.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I'm wondering if Ms. Settle is ready?
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can now.
I'm in the courthouse. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Can you hear me well enough for me to announce?
I can hear you. I can't see you, but that's okay. I have
Okay,
have
okay.
Mr. Mary Lippy is the client, page 2, burglary of a vehicle.
Yes, Judge, that is a plea. But my question for Aleda is, we were going to do this plea. We did the paperwork last June. And, but then we halted the plea because she had felonies pending. Those have been taken care of. So we want to go forward with this plea. But I just want to be sure that we don't have to redo the paperwork.
Your Honor, if they can go into a breakout room and ask the state where that paperwork is, maybe it can be rerouted to you, Judge, for signature.
Okay, Ms. Settle, if you'll hold on, we'll put you in a breakout room, see if we can track down the paperwork.
Okay.
Thank you. Next, Aleda.
All right. The next one would be Mr. Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on page 4. I have Javier Flores, case number 657-560. I was hoping that he might appear in court today. I've had no contact with him. He has a pending felony, and there is a warrant on that felony, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, what was the name again?
Javier Draco Flores. Page 4.
Yeah, that's it. There we go. Mr. Flores, are you present? If you would unmute and let us know.
And Your Honor, this is a compliance hearing that was set at 1:30. I'm not too sure if they're going to track him down for 1:30.
I'll tell you, Mr. It shows here that he has a warrant. Is that right? He shows fugitive already. You know anything about that?
On the felony.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll give you till 1:30. If you can track him down, we'll be happy to hear it. Otherwise, we'll call it at 1:30.
Very well. Thank you very much, Your Honor. May I be excused till then?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Carissa Shawalski.
Good morning, Judge. I have Xavier Flores, page 4, case
Okay.
number 658516. I'd like to confer with ADA Sanchez if she has a moment.
Okay, Mr. Flores, you'll stay with us. Your lawyer's going to confer and report back.
Thank you, Judge.
Hello, Judge, may I approach?
Who is it?
Jeffrey Cox.
Okay.
My attorney was Carlos Gonzalez. I wouldn't know I was present. I signed in a little late, sir.
Okay, we haven't called your case yet, as far as I know, so just stay with us, and when we get to you, your lawyer will announce, all right?
I believe he had technical difficulties with his Wi-Fi or with him logging in.
Okay. So stay with us, sir. We'll get your lawyer back on. Don't go anywhere.
Okay.
What page is he on?
That would be page 3, Your Honor, the first 2 cases.
Okay. Yeah, we need to get Mr. Gonzalez back, find out what he wants to do.
Okay, Your Honor. So the next one would be Lorena Garza, and this is the one that client is a fugitive, Your Honor.
We're gonna recall it on him.
Good
Recall
morning, Your Honor.
Cox. Any luck?
Yes, Your Honor, I went ahead and conferred with the state just now. We would like to motion to recall that warrant. We had some issues with the ignition interlock device after the vehicle was deemed completely totaled. It was not, we weren't able to fix it. So Jeff and I went ahead and spoke about it, and we're sort of in agreement we are in agreement, I'm sorry, to request a recall of the warrant, and I'll be filing a motion to remove the ignition interlock device this week and replace it with a portable alcohol monitoring device instead.
And where were we at on the docket?
We are on page 6, towards the bottom, cause number 673984.
So the reason for the warrant is non-compliance with the ignition interlock?
Yes, Your Honor. He went ahead and sent the vehicle off to get fixed. And it took a couple of weeks before his mechanic was able to take a look at it, and it was deemed totaled. There's not going to be any fixing of that vehicle. He has no other vehicle.
What about today? Is he here?
He is present, Your Honor. He is present under Moto G Power 2021. Kevin Torres.
I don't see a picture. Can you identify yourself, Mr. Torres? Give us video if you can. It is a court hearing. Need to see you.
There you go. Kevin, no sé si es posible poner su video.
I don't believe he's got audio. Let's see if I could.
No, but he had video earlier. I'm not sure what happened. Went ahead and sent him a message. He had it earlier. I'm not sure why it came off. There he is.
Mr. Torres, can you hear us? Lost him. Well, okay, based upon the agreement between you and the DA, we're going to reset it for how long to see if y'all can resolve the case itself?
Well, I would request a 30-day reset, Your Honor, to see if we can get this case resolved.
And I'm going to leave it alone until you file your motion in agreement with the prosecutor to get the warrant lifted.
Okay, we can do that, Your Honor. No problem.
It'll be reset for the 25th.
Of April. Okay.
I'm sorry, April 25th, 30 days for status.
Okay, sounds good, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Michael Dominic.
Morning, Judge. I'm here for Maximino Paramo Gutierrez. He's on the bottom of page 4 and the top of page 5. 2 cause numbers.
He's here?
Yep, he's here. You can see him on the Zoom. He's right there.
Okay, I see him. What are we doing?
So we had a few resets for him to confer with an immigration attorney and comply with Padilla versus Kentucky. We're ready. I just want to confer with the state. The last DA on the case is no longer a DA in this courtroom, so I'm not sure which of the two got assigned this case, but I'm happy to confer with whichever one of them is available.
And who is Paul Anderson?
Oh, he's the head attorney at our office, sir.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll put you in a breakout room. Thank you.
Thank you.
Stick around till your lawyer comes out, sir.
Mr. Adam Cobb.
Morning, Judge. Morning, Aleda. Sorry about my tardiness. I was in the 226. I've got a Roberto Romero. He's got several cases.
226? I heard of that.
I was going to say, Judge, you might be familiar with that court.
I think I was there about 30 years, but go ahead. Yeah. Shoot, what do you got? What page?
Page 1, Your Honor.
I see it.
He's got several cases, I think 3 on page 1. Judge, he's got a felony, if not 2 felonies pending, which he's requested a jury trial on. And so your cases are just kind of in riding along, I guess.
So the date I have for cases with felonies pending is May 25th.
May I get that, Your Honor?
All right. He's here or is he in custody?
He's in custody, Your Honor. It may show bond on 1 or 2 of the cases, but he is in custody.
Okay. Well, I mean, up to you. If he's not getting credit on these, you may want to talk to the bondsman.
I understand, Judge, and they may be TIC'd, eventually TIC'd. So I think we're okay.
All right. I'm going to set it for the 25th with other felonies pending.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Good to see you.
All right. Have a good. You too.
Mr. Dirk Ashbo.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Harmon Mullins, and he's in the courtroom present today. He's in the middle of page 6. And
Mullins?
Yes, sir. And the page
He's here.
number is 672864 on page 6.
Okay, I've got it.
Judge, there's a felony pending in this case. I'd like to get a reset to see if we can work something out all together. Currently conferring with someone in the 175th on it.
Okay, the date Judge Saldaña has given me is May 25th for cases with other felonies, so.
That'll work, Judge.
For that date.
Can the bailiff let the client know that he can go and he can call my office this afternoon?
We'll do it right now. Take care.
Thank you,
Your excuse, sir.
Victoria Cruz?
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon. I apologize. I'm in Guadalupe County. I have Adam Bazan. He is logged on. It is a felony pending.
Any idea what page?
It is out of the 399, so it hasn't had a date since December of 2021.
I know. I hear you. I'm looking for it on the docket. You have any idea where?
On the page number, no, I apologize, Your Honor. It's an MTR and he's got new cases. Adam Bazan.
It's the first one on page 1.
I figured.
Okay, we've got Raymond listed. So Adam Bazan, other felonies pending. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Your Honor. He has a felony pending in the 399.
Is he with us today?
He is, Your Honor. He's under Cricket. Adam, can you unmute and speak? Oh, where did he go?
I'm right here.
All right. So, sir, you're going to be reset for May 25th, same time. Stay with your lawyer or communicate with your lawyer about in-person or Zoom.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Tell everybody in Guadalupe County hi for me.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Thank
And
you.
Raymond,
Have a good day. You're good to go, Mr. Bazan.
Okay.
Mr. Paul Vasquez looks like he's back from conferring.
Hi, Judge. On page 2, David Bodillo, I just need to talk to the client and see what we're going to do on this one. That's the one that's in the middle of the page.
right. So what do you need time-wise?
Just 30 days.
And Mr. Badillo's here?
Yes, Judge.
All right. We'll reset it for the April 25th date.
And then my other client, Judge, he does have a felony pending, but the prosecutor was going to reach out with the felony prosecutors in the 227th. So we just need to get that May 25th court date.
Jacob Vasquez?
Yes, Judge. He's on page 3, the very last one on the page.
Right. He's here?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
5/25/22. Stay in touch with your lawyer about in person or on Zoom. All right.
I'm sorry?
I don't know what the judge will be doing in May 25th. So make sure you know if you need to be in person or by Zoom.
Yes, sir.
We'll let you know, Jacob.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, you can log off. And Daniel,
Thank
you can log off as well. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Michael Velishek.
Yes, I'm here now. I have Joseph Ganzer, who is in the waiting room. There he is. And I need to confer with the state on him. And then I have John Zavala, who is a prisoner. I need to confer with the state about him also.
On the first one, any idea where it is, Mr. Velishek? I found the second one.
I found
it.
I'm
Zavala?
trying to call up the docket on another device here, Judge, and I haven't got there yet.
All right, I found it. That's John Zavala.
Yes. And then
Both of them
Joseph Ganzer. Should be toward the end.
Mr. Zavala's got 2 cases.
And he has a felony pending too.
Okay, but Ganzer, let me see if I can find Ganzer.
He's on page 4, second to the last.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Okay. I'm gonna mark you conferring, and Ganser's here. He's on bond.
Yes, he's here and on bond. There he is. You can see him there. Here, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, stay
Yes,
with
sir.
us. Your lawyer's gonna confer and report back.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bob Barrett is back from confer. Oh,
Parents.
Yes, Judge. Mr. King is going to send me an offer by the end of the day. So if we could just get a pretrial reset, I guess that would be helpful.
All right, so that'll be the 30-day, 425.
All right. Are we excused, my client and I?
Yes, thank you.
All right, thanks.
Mr. Tom Nisbet is back from conferring.
Yes, thank you. Judge, two clients, Roy Rodriguez, bottom of page 3, and Maria Ramirez, aka Pilar Bottolini, top of page 4. I conferred with Irina on both cases. We're gonna do some more work off docket. If I could have a pretrial reset on both cases, I think I could advance the ball a little bit, probably in the next week or so. But just a regular reset from the court, if I could, please.
We'll give you that May 25th date. If you get it done quicker, then contact Alita. She'll put you on the docket.
Will do. Thank you, sir.
All right, you're excused. The clients are excused. Alita, next.
Thanks, sir.
That would be, I believe I've got all the lawyers out. Larry Meadows?
Yes, present. Judge, this is on Brandon Suarez, page 6.
Okay.
He's present, and we have filed for pretrial diversion. An application, have not heard back yet. So if we could get a reset and pending that process.
How long?
Let's do 30 days.
All right, May 25th. In person or by Zoom?
All right.
All right, you're excused today, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. John Winters back from
Brandon, you're
conferring.
free to go.
Winner.
Yeah, Judge. So I received an offer from Mr. King that I'm almost 100% sure that Alex is going to take. And so we just need a quick reset for him and I to discuss it and come back. And I think everything will be resolved next time we come back to court.
That was on Alex Chavez Gasca.
That's correct.
Well, the date I have is May 25th. If you get it done quicker, contact Alita. She'll put you on the docket.
That'd be great. Thank you, Judge.
All right, you're excused. He's excused.
Thank you, Judge. Alex, that's it for today. Okay, I'll call you later.
Your Honor, may I approach?
Mr. Cox, we can't do anything without your lawyer, okay? So just sit back.
I have I was supposed to tell you I have 2 felonies pending for April 18th and 290. If we could
Glad
just
to hear that, but we really need to see your lawyer. So tell him to log back in for me, all right? Carlos
All right.
Gonzalez. Can't do
Yes, sir.
nothing without your lawyer.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Alita?
Your Honor, I think all the lawyers are conferring, and I'm going to be doing a re-invite to the ones that have not appeared yet. Maybe they're in another court and are running a little late.
Okay. You want me to call the ones that haven't announced, or you've got them down? You're good?
I think I'm good. I think the only one I'm on Mr. Tom Nisbet. I wanted to make sure where his clients were, since he came in for some other counsel.
He's for David Christian,
Okay,
and it's reset for probably a plea on May the 25th, and that's on Roy Rodriguez. Bottom of page 3, and on Maria Ramirez, top of page 4.
okay, got that. Thank you, Judge.
All right, we'll take a brief recess to let her do the re-invite for about 10 minutes, and then we'll resume the docket.